In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 47 by finding a tenths place approximation. To do this, we need to look at perfect squares nearby to 47. Examples of this are 6 squared, which is 36, and 7 squared, which is 49. We can see that 47 lies between 36 and 49, so we can write the following inequality. 36 is less than 47, which is less than 49. Now we can take the square root of all of these values. This becomes the square root of 36 is less than the square root of 47, which is less than the square root of 49. We can then replace the square root of 36 with 6 because 6 squared is 36. Then we can replace the square root of 49 with 7 because 7 squared is 49. Now we can see that the square root of 47 is between 6 and 7. However, 47 is a lot closer to 49 than it is to 36. So the square root of 47 will be closer to 7. This means we can try out tenths place decimals closer to 7 and multiply them by themselves to see if we get something around 47. Let's try 6.9 squared, which is 6.9 times 6.9. 9 times 9 is 81, carry the 8. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 8 is 62. Add our 0, and then 6 times 9 is 54, carry the 5, and then 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 is 41. When we add these together, we end up getting 47.61, which is very close to 47. We can approximate it in that way. So it's about 47. Then we can say that 6.9 squared is approximately 47. We can then take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of 6.9 squared cancels out the squared and the square root to give us 6.9 is equivalent approximately to 47. So now we have our approximation. The square root of 47 is about 6.9.